So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install apps on your iPhone 16. If you are using an iPhone, then you can install apps from the App Store. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. After this, tap on the search option. Now, search for the app that you want to install. For example, let's say MS Word. Now, tap on this Get button to install the app. After this, you will have to double press this power button and then verify with Face ID to install the app, like this. Now, this will install the app on your iPhone. After this, go back to home screen. And as you can see here, this app is now installed. So this is how you can install apps on your iPhone 16. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.